Are you still confused about detox and holistic medicine? Well, you're not alone. In fact, the global detox market is well worth over $50 billion. But most products sold don't actually support your body's ability to detox and your built-in detox symptoms. Hi, my name is Dr. Erica Steele. I'm a board-certified naturopathic doctor. I hold 7 degrees in my field, all in the natural healthcare space. I like to say I went to school, so you don't have to. And today we're breaking down what detox really means in holistic medicine. And we're clearing up the myths and get grounded in real science. All of this information is found in my Intro to Holistic Medicine 2. It's our next foundational course that we've launched with integrative holistic health sciences online education. All right, so let's begin. Detox is not a product. It's actually a function. The body's detoxing every single day, in fact, all day, through your liver, your colon, your kidneys, your lungs, your skin, and even your lymphatic system. And so there's a lot of cultural confusion because a lot of times people go, oh, I'm going to do a juice cleanse for 3 days, or I'm going to do all these teas. And we've been sold the idea that detox is this one-time event. And that's just simply not true and often really dangerous and reductionist. When we clinically detox, we cellularly detox, which means that we're optimizing our organ function, metabolic pathways, and finally, elimination. So we're not starving ourselves because the goal is actually to support our body's abilities to heal itself with those built-in detox systems, not override or overburden them. So it's not about shocking the system. It's really about accentuating what the system already does naturally. Because real detox is actually slow, strategic, and rooted in science, not sensationalism. If you've enjoyed this video, this is all a part of our Intro to Holistic Medicine 2, Detoxification and Elimination. If you are interested in registering or enrolling in the class and diving in deep, right now we do have a buy one, get one free. So if you've missed Intro to Holistic Medicine 1, which is all about nutrition and understanding all about your cofactors for your metabolism, and I'm not going to tell you what that is. So lots of great information using subjective and objective data, combining with all the ancient and holistic practices that have been passed down from generations. So thank you for watching. And all this week, we are in Intro to Holistic Medicine week 2 for detox and elimination. So check us out Wednesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, as well as Saturday, 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. All right, see you then.